Now that is a strange sensation. It's pretty smooth actually. It's really smooth. Whoa! Woo! There is some force when you drop and spin. Oh my goodness! I mean, happy to say it's not an ear basher. It's really incredible, the force of it. And it's beautiful. Really beautiful. Woo! Really, really impressive ride. Look at us stuck at the top. It's no problem, we're cool, it's cool. I did record this on the ground, and I bet it feels longer when you're up here than it did on the ground. It's got a bit of a drop tower vibe at the moment. It's clearly pretty extreme and intense, because I'm not usually one for holding on, but I am holding on to this. Here we go. Wow! What a drop! That was fantastic. Just fantastic. It is flinging me every which way, but it's really smooth. Abby Danters Air, you beauty. Oh, fair bit of force to it. But smooth. Every swing and drop is smooth. Really smooth. Beautiful ride. And what a view from up here. What a view of the Hoppings 2023 from Abby Danters Air. That was amazing! So good, so good. And we are released.